set in rose gold. Dread talking to you niggas like I'm J. Cole. I could tell her head good before I even know. Bitch, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been involved.
We're going to be asking girls your guys' questions. Alright, we found our first victims. Would you rather have a rich guy but he has a small dick, or a poor guy but he has a big dick?
Poor guy, big dick. Poor guy, big dick.
Tall, but good dick.
So poor?
Yeah, rich.
Rich but small dick.
Yeah, because that makes sense, because then it's like, you can just sort yourself out, I guess.
What did she say?
I would say poor dude but has a big dick.
Yeah, same.
Poor guy, big dick. Money always comes.
Yeah, money doesn't matter.
Stop the cap.
But big dick matters.
Yeah.
Size matters.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Maria.
Maria? My name is Logan.
Logan.
Yes. Hang out later today.
For sure.
This one's down.
She's a little mad right now.
That girl was down, and then her ugly friend.
She
No.
wasn't ugly, just the less enjoyable friend. Didn't want to be a team player.
I ain't ever seen two pretty best friends.
It's always one of them gotta be ugly.
It happened that yesterday as well, when we were at the fucking club. What we gonna do tonight?
I wanna hold them like they do in Texas, please. Fold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me.
Wait, where do you guys post this?
On Pornhub and OnlyFans.
Okay. What? Really?
Yeah.
Also, we can find this video as well.
Yes. Just search me up on Pornhub, you'll find me.
Really? Is it actually porn, or are you joking?
No, I'm not even joking.
I think you just don't get this in the UK. This is it.
What's your name?
Georgie. Yeah, what's yours?
Peppa the pig.
Oh, Pepper.
TikTok for the PG questions. Other questions, they go somewhere
What
else.
PG question have you asked?
Where are you from?
I asked where you guys were from, that's it. That's the only that's making the cut.
Alright, let's...
I got banned on TikTok, like I said. And what can you guys buy with your body count?
Not shit. It's 0.
Get him, I'm gonna get him. Get him, Dude, I looked at him for a second. I didn't know if I should fucking grab him or not. He's fast.
Abortion is healthcare. Abortion is healthcare. Abortion is healthcare.
Oh hell no! Look at this
My
shit.
choice.
Oh no! Oh no! Down bad.
He's hoping for Coochie by marching with them.
bad.
He's down bad astronomically.
2X.
These dudes, so desperate for Coochie, they're willing to fucking
Yo, there's two dudes
devalue
there.
themselves completely.
One like
Your body, my choice.
That's good. That's good.
Yo!
Oh shit!
Oh my fuck!
This is fucked. This is super fucked. Oh my god, dude, that is fucked.
I got a question for you guys. City boys up or what?
oh yeah.
City boys up?
City boys
Sure.
up.
City boys up. City boys up.
Every day.
Good. City boys up.
But you guys gotta share your best story so far. So we'll go with the boys first.
Well, 3 days ago, we met some girls in a country club, and we went to their place and had sex
Okay.
right next to each other.
He cold.
What's your name, tripod?
Nikki.
Nikki. I'm Pablo. Nice to meet you. I just touched your boob, but it's okay.
So come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life.
I get in everywhere. Okay, I always get mine, no matter what. That was fun. We met some fan who was the gatekeeper. We were planning on sneaking in, but this guy watched my YouTube channel, he watched my podcast, and he was like, "Hey, I know you. Get the fuck on in." And we're like, "Alright, cool." And yeah, it was like a Nelk Happy Dad fucking
the seltzer
thingy. Yeah, the seltzer party for Nelk. So that was cool. I saw a bunch of guys who work for Happy Dad too.
Shout out to
cool.
Full Send Podcast. I saw that one with Khabib and to the seltzer. Shout out to you guys.
And the podcast with Trump. That shit's goated, but it got deleted. Gang.
I think your haters are ready for you.
No, they're not. That's why I got super popular on TikTok, because a lot of guys would be like, "Oh, this guy doesn't pull chicks," and I just reply videos of me making out with random girls, dude.
idea, man. You have no idea. Looks can be deceiving, bro. You guys gotta get off that Giga Chad shit, man. Gotta get off that Giga Chad shit. Doesn't really matter that much, for dudes at least, but. Yeah, you're not ready for Logan. You're not ready for him. I wish you recorded what happened yesterday. I wish you recorded what happened yesterday. That'll go on the OnlyFans.
Dude, that'd be on the news, bro. Yes, there's a lot of cookery last night with some dude's girlfriend.
Jesus, bro.
Shit's so bad.
City boys we out.
City boys out.
I'm about to beat Logan's ass up in boxing. Just gonna show him how to spar a little. I'm gonna keep his nose intact so he can still get laid. And then he's gonna beat my ass in grappling, so it's 50-50, you know?
Indeed.
So we're gonna show each other a couple moves. That's pretty much it. And we're going to this brand new gym here in Miami that just opened a new facility called Boxer. Called a lifestyle facility because that's where a whole bunch of hoes and influencers go to.
It looks crazy.
Yeah. They just go there, get a good session in, get a good sweat in, because you can actually work out without your shirt on. So
finally, all these other gyms, dude, they don't let you take off your fucking shirt. So gay. But we do it anyway. Fuck it. If you guys watch my video on Adrian's kickback, you'll know they get boring because I've had fireworks fucking bigger than this explode right behind my fucking feet. You're from Poland?
Yes.
And then where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
Okay, cool. I'm from fucking America, so...
I don't know. A lot of nice people.
There's a lot hotter guys here?
Yes, a lot of.
What would you rate the cameraman? Scale of 1 to 10.
I think 8.
Ooh, okay.
Come on, Curva, come on.
You guys are all here in Miami to celebrate Hot Girl Summer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how many of you guys have had a boyfriend?
I do have a boyfriend.
Raise your hand
You
if you had a
boyfriend
boyfriend.
Yes.
Have you ever cheated on your boyfriend?
No. I'm loyal.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
Really?
Yes.
How low are you?
10 out of 10.
Do you have any guy best friends?
Yes, I have.
Ooh, that's a good question.
Okay. Do you think your guy best friends want to fuck you?
I don't know. But I would rather not.
I don't think that girls can have guy best friends.
I think that too. There's always.
That's your girl? Golly. Okay, I see you. But I just want to know one thing. You ready? Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Get a tuna
Hot dick. Is he zooming in on my tits?
Well, today, the first thing we did was we hit the gym.
First thing we did was hit the gym, make sure our back was swole as fuck.
We went to the fucking 4th of July Nelk party that we're supposed to pay to get in.
That was super low.
And it's very difficult to get in. They were kicking out some pretty hot girls behind us as well who were trying to get in. But the guy who's the gatekeeper, he watched my videos. The girls there. Pablo was talking to one chick.
Stop it.
in the beginning.
I'm a one woman man. I'm a one woman man.
Pablo saw fucking, I was just chilling playing beer pong. There's a few girls trying to walk up to me, but I was so focused on playing beer pong I did not give a fuck. I see a lot of dudes, they have to drink to get girls, but these past 3 days we have not
we
been
didn't drink
drinking
a single.
at all.
You know, we drank water.
We
bro.
drank water the
We drank
whole
water,
time.
dude.
I really only like getting with girls who are genuinely in love with me, or girls who are like genuinely interested in me. I think that's more enjoyable. The sex is better, the connection is better, and I think when you get to that point, you know, you're no longer just chasing like really any girl you get. It's more of, yeah, you'll talk to any girl because you treat all girls the same, which you should, but you know, it comes to a level where it's no longer talking to girls to get in bed with them. You know, it's more of just pre-qualifying a girl, seeing her levels of interest, testing her. It's no longer, it's not the other way around. It's point to anywhere and I will get us in.
Yeah.
Pablo, I had to show Pablo I can sneak into anywhere.
I knew Logan fucked already. With the W, fuck. I knew this guy fucked, of course.
At the end of the day, I don't really think looks is,
for a dude, it doesn't matter that much compared to other things.
No.
Yeah, I don't think looks, as a man, I know there's like all these communities, the fucking black pill and the Giga Chad jawline guys who are like, oh, if your eyelid isn't this shape and it's not symmetrical, you can't get laid and shit. And there's some truth to it, like, hey, if you're attractive, it's probably gonna be easier for you in life.
Yes, it helps you get your foot in the door.
Yeah, but that's it. That's it.
But then at the end of the day, if the guy has game and he talks to the same girl, the girl's gonna be way more interested in him.
Exactly.
And dude, me and Pablo were walking into every single place. I was wearing cowboy hat, Pit Vipers. He's wearing his cowboy hat. We were just fucking around. The whole point is to have fun. And at the end of the day, girls, no girls. At the end of the day, we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be our party.
That's all I want, bro.
Yes. Main takeaways: you don't have to drink that fun. Focus on having fun.
Get some momentum going. Like,
yes.
You're gonna fuck up in the beginning for sure, and just know that.
Yes, and even for me, like I haven't interviewed girls on camera in such a long time, in over a year. So doing it now, it's fun. It's fun. It's interesting now, and I'm excited. It reminds me of times when I was going out with Nathan and just interviewing girls.
Yo, shout out to Nathan though. I'm taking over right now. So.
Yes. All right, boys. I'll see you guys next time.